Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access to your current email account and knowing the password so you can make changes without interruption. Once done, have the new email address ready and a recovery phone or secondary email at hand. This speeds verification. Now open your account settings or profile page, look for headings like Contact or Account Info. You will move quickly into the editable field. Follow prompts rather than guessing, because precise steps prevent lockouts and repeated verification cycles. You edit the contact field and type the new email address exactly as intended. Capitalization rarely matters, but typos do. After saving, most services send a verification code or link to the new address, so open that inbox, including spam and promotions, and retrieve the code. Once you enter the code or click the link, the service confirms ownership, and you make the change final by saving settings. Make sure to watch for any additional prompts, like re-entering your password or completing two-factor authentication. You finish by updating your login, recovery options, and any linked subscriptions or apps to use the new email. This prevents missed communications. Then log out and back in to confirm the login works, and check forwarding rules or email filters haven't broken delivery. If something goes wrong, try account recovery steps first, clear browser cache, or switch browsers. Sometimes verification fails due to cookie issues. If none of that works, contact support with your recovery info. They can restore access after identity checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.